Hi, wanna know how to enable USB debugging on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? Then open Settings. Here, just scroll till the end to see About Phone tab, and after that select Software Information. Now, what we're gonna do? We need to tap 7 times on the build number to just enable developer mode. So let's tap 7 times. Here you can see how many steps we away from being in a developer mode. And now developer mode has been turned on. So we can check it if we just go back in the settings, and now under this About Phone tab we can see developer options. So you need to select this tab, and after that scroll to see the USB debugging, and here it is. So as you can see, you need to use it to copy data between your computer and device, install apps on your device without notification, and read log data. So if you want to use this feature, you just need to simply allow it here by tapping OK button, and now it is enabled. When you are done using it, you just need to disable it by tapping on the switcher, and after that you can disable developer options at all, just by tapping on the switcher like that. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.